Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TruckSmart T app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TruckSmart T is a convenience-focused app developed for professional truck drivers, designed to streamline life on the road. It offers features like real-time fuel pricing at Travel Centers of America, TA, and petrol locations, parking availability updates, shower reservations, and truck service scheduling, all from a single platform. The app also provides route-based search to help drivers plan stops efficiently, along with TA loyalty program integration for tracking points and rewards. When it comes to real-world use, many drivers appreciate the app's ability to save time by letting them reserve parking or showers before arriving, avoiding unnecessary waits. The fuel price comparison tool helps with cost savings, and the route-based search makes trip planning smoother. Its user-friendly layout and quick-loading interface make it easy to navigate even during busy hauls. However, some drawbacks do come up. Users have reported occasional glitches with parking availability not updating in real time, and the app requires a stable internet connection to work at its best. Certain features, like service scheduling, may not be available at all TA or petrol locations, which can limit convenience. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the TruckSmart T app may be worth it if you're a truck driver who frequently visits TA or petrol locations and wants to save time with advance reservations and real-time updates. It shines in convenience and planning efficiency, but its reliance on internet connectivity and occasional data delays could be frustrating for some users. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.